Hey everyone, it's Nick here, and today we're going to talk about the new searching capabilities of model-driven apps. So I've loaded the Innovation Challenge app, which of course is one of the sample apps that you have the option to install when you provision a new common data service environment. And if I want to search for records, I can go to the particular record. Here I'm in Challenges, and I can always, turn on the filtering on a particular column, or I can use the quick find. And maybe I want to find all the challenges that have the word data in it. Of course, nothing comes up, so I can put in a wildcard by using the asterisk, and I'm going to hit the search button. Of course, I get my one record up. That's great. But maybe I want to, search other records as well. So let's search the ideas. Same thing, go into my quick find, search for data, and there I have one record coming up. But you see there, I had to do two unique searches. And you know what, that could be fine, but sometimes I don't even know what record or what type of record I want to search data in, or maybe I want to see all the records of different types when I do a particular search. So we are able to do that now, but we need to enable it. So I've navigated now to the Power Platform Admin Center, and I'm going to take a look at that particular environment where I want to enable the new search capabilities. And this is a new environment, and I will go into the settings. And from here, I'm going to expand out the product section. I'm going to look at the features. And near the bottom, we have our search. And we see relevant search is turned off. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to hit save. And now my relevant search is turned on, which is also going to turn on the new search experience. Now, if you have relevant search already turned on, you're going to notice that you have a new icon there to turn on the new search experience. So you can flip that switch on if you've already enabled relevant search. The other thing I need to do is define which entities are going to be used for the relevant search. So I'm just going to click on the gear icon, go into the advanced settings. This is going to take me to the classic experience. It's going to take a few seconds to come up. From here, I'm going to go into settings, and then I'm going to go into my customization directly. And then from here, we'll just click on Customize the System, and it's going to bring up the Classic Maker experience. Once we're in the Classic experience, we're just going to click on Entities, and that is going to give us the ability to configure relevant search. So we're going to click on that, which is going to give us a list of the entities that by default have already been enabled for relevant search. So we have that list up and a bunch of entities already there, a lot of the common data model entities that we'd want. Now we can go through and begin to remove the ones we don't want. For instance, facts, we don't need that anymore. We're likely not using goals and knowledge articles, and we'll just leave the rest. And then what we want to do is go through and find our own custom entities to make sure that they're enabled for the relevant search, such as the challenge. And we also want to look for ideas. And once we picked our entities, we just click OK. Now, if we want to add additional fields to be indexed, what we would do, we would, preferably a solution, go into the entity, and now I'm in the new maker experience because this works perfectly well from there. I'm going to go in the views and look for the quick find views. And if it's a quick find view, if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see edit table columns. Find columns, and there you can turn on additional columns to be included in the search. Now you don't want to turn on everything because that could really bog things down and add a lot of noise to your searches. So you want to be very careful about this, very picky and very precise on what fields you want to use in your searching. Now I've noticed that the searching doesn't show up right away. So as it's setting up, you might want to find something else to do. After a few minutes, refresh your browser, go back into your model-driven app, and you'll notice that there is a search bar now at the top of your screen in the header. Now we can actually use that to search for terms. So I'm just going to type data there. And now in our search results, I see both the ideas and the challenges in my search results. So it's searched across that data based on that one search term. So this is the new feature of the model-driven apps for doing searching. I think it's really powerful, and I think you should definitely check it out.